Hello everyone, it's a new video with a new way to earn dollars. Clever Money Girl has come to believe that most of you guys don't know about the power that emails hold. Let us ask you one question. What is the most common account that almost everyone with access to the internet has? Is it a Facebook account? No. Is it Twitter? Nope. It is an email. Facebook needs an email or phone number. Many choose email. The same goes for Twitter and many other social media platforms. Every website, every seller, and every buyer have an email. So fellas, we are going to tell you how to use email to earn over $100 per day. As the usual reminder, subscribe to Clever Money Girl for more and more awesome and easy money-making methods. Truly, online money-making methods are never-ending. Now you need at least 100 email addresses, an affiliate account, and 2-3 hours per day. Well, the more the merrier. Oh no, how on earth can I find 100 emails? Don't worry. Clever Money Girl got your back. Let's start with how to get 100 emails easily. Surely you know how Pinterest works, right? Let us just type something here like free ebook or how to make money online. Do you see how many pins show up? So we are going to make a similar pin first to create an email magnet. Yes, an email magnet. Before we start on this, let us remind you that you need to get these emails to either Gmail or Yahoo. If you don't have either, we suggest you create a new Gmail to get those 100 emails. Or else, you'll have to copy-paste every single email to the affiliate link page. Why go through all that pain when you can simply make a new Gmail or Yahoo account? So get it done before moving in with this step. Back to where we stopped. Let's click this pin and see where it takes us. Now this page here we call a squeeze page for our easy reference, because we are trying to gather emails using a web page like this. There are tons of software and apps out there, and you can create one like this. And no, we are not scamming them. We are giving something in return. As you can see here, this website is giving free advice on making money online. Imagine you also read this and are very happy with what you learned from this page. So you leave a comment. To leave a comment, you have to put your email. Also, if you scroll down, you can see the subscribe button for more updates. Imagine 20 people reach the squeeze page that you make and leave a comment or subscribe per day. You get 100 email addresses in 5 days. And that is how you get your email list. If you don't have any written articles or free courses to offer for the viewers to subscribe to, you can go to websites like ideport.com. This website has so much content that you can purchase for and resell and keep 100% of the profit to yourself. You can find ebooks, articles, templates, and so on. In exchange for the email, you can use this content or your original content on the webpage. Fair and nice. Now that you know how to get your emails, let's move on to step 2. Creating an affiliate account. Clever Money Girl has 2 amazing options for you: ClickBank and Digistore24. Note that ClickBank might not be available for all countries, hence the alternative Digistore24. Very easy to sign up. We will continue with ClickBank because it has the best affiliate link network. When you go to ClickBank, you can see the option here to create an account or simply sign up if you don't have one. Go ahead and create an account. It is pretty simple actually. Very similar to all the online accounts we create. Once you have your account created and your email verified for the account, you can log in. The interface would look like this. Go to Account Settings, click on the Find Product bar and type what sort of product you can share through the email list you created. Now keep in mind that you can't send a drilling item selling link to someone who subscribed to your online money-making website, because they subscribed to your page and gave their email to you to receive more information about making money, not about drilling holes. You might be tempted to share the affiliate links that have more profit for you. But if you send something completely unrelated to what they expect from you as an update, you might end up their spam or trash. We wouldn't want that to happen. So if you want to share a higher paying affiliate link, you can easily whip up another page and a new email. So that when you send the affiliate links via emails, you won't be sent to the wrong audience. That being said, let's see how to pick and send them using the email list you have. In the Find Product bar, you can type something like affiliate money making. When you type that, you will get hundreds of affiliate links. You can see how much the original product is and how much you will get if someone purchases it through the link you share in the email. Super easy. As you can see, you can earn from $15 to hundreds of $500 of profit just by copying and sharing the affiliate links via emails. Let us give you a small tip. To select the best-selling or sale-converting products, you can use this filter. Choose the option and enter. Then you will get the best affiliate link under the category that you are looking for. Whichever way, a unique encrypted link will be created. This link only belongs to you and you only. Whenever someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, the profit will directly flow into the account details you have provided to your ClickBank account. Now that you have your link, choose the option Promote through social media or email. You will always see something similar to these words on different pages, because not all web pages are created with the same template. When you click on it, you will get a small window for you to input your email. Make sure that you enter the same email you created your ClickBank account with. Once you are done, you will get another small window with all possible sharing platforms, including email. Since our target is using the email list we created, we are choosing email. When you select email, you will get an option to input the emails. As you see, you can easily import all the email addresses into your personal email. Click Import Contacts and select your preferred one. Then you can enter a message or not. But adding a small message will be better because the person who opens this up should get an idea of what this is about at a glance. So put up a decent message send. Remember how we reminded you to make a Gmail or Yahoo account if you don't have one? That's because of this reason. Say you keep getting hundreds of thousands of subscriber emails through the pin you made as the magnet. Do you have time to copy-paste each address here? Don't think so. So get things done in order, and you can have smooth sailing while catching a lot of fish. Okay, say you have sent your first batch of 50 or 100 emails. You can check back after 5 days or 1 week to see how it is going. You have a tab named Analytics under Reporting. You can track the performance of how many clicks were there and how many clicks have turned into sales, as in how many people have purchased through the link you have shared. How much profit you have made, and every single detail is available. You can study that and improve. You can keep this up, and within a month you'll be getting a significant amount of profit to your account, and even you would be surprised how effective emails are. And that's it for the video today. If you run into trouble, you can share your concerns in the comment section, and Clever Money Girl will try the best to answer you. Of course, we also could use your support by a simple thank you comment or a like to this video. Subscribe and stay tuned for more and more online money making tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.